Welcome Primary Forms Sharif is with you. Today we will talk about part 2 from lesson 1 from unit 2, which is called forms of energy and their changes. Do you remember the meaning of energy? Energy is the ability to do work. The ability to do work. Okay, we have many forms of energy like potential energy, kinetic energy, sound energy, light energy, and electric energy and chemical energy. Today we'll talk about some changes of energy. Okay, number one, changing of potential energy into kinetic energy. At first, we should remember the meaning of potential energy. What is the meaning of potential energy? Super. It is the energy stored in a body during rest. Okay, when any body rests or doesn't do any work, okay, inside it has potential energy. So potential energy, the energy stored in a body during rest. Okay, kinetic energy. Do you remember the definition of kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy that causes the motion of the body, that causes the motion of the body, like the electric fan. When electric fan moves, okay, it has kinetic energy. Okay, so here we have that we know that potential energy can change into kinetic energy, where, give me example, the potential energy changes into kinetic energy in the spraying of a children toy. Do you remember this picture? This is a toy car, okay, and this toy car has a spring, okay, so here inside the spring there is a potential energy. When we move this toy car, okay, the potential energy it changes into kinetic energy. So the changing number one, changing of potential energy into kinetic energy. Number two, we have a changing of kinetic energy into other forms of energy. Kinetic energy can change into sound energy. Can you give me example of a changing of kinetic energy into sound energy? Violin. Okay, in violin, the kinetic energy is changed into sound energy. Guitar and knocking on the door. Violin, guitar, and knocking on the door. When we knocking on the door, we move our hands, and this is kinetic energy. And we hear a sound of the knocking. So kinetic energy is changed into sound and energy. So here we can change kinetic energy into sound energy. Okay, changing of kinetic energy into heat energy. Heat energy. Okay, we can change the kinetic energy into heat energy. Can you give me example? Okay, rubbing your hands. Try to rub your hands like this picture, huh? This is the movement of rubbing your hands. Okay, so here kinetic energy is changed into heat energy. You feel warm. Okay, so rubbing your hands change the kinetic energy into heat energy. And look at this picture, hammering on a piece of iron. If you try to hammering on a piece to hammer on a piece of iron, okay, you change the kinetic energy, okay, into heat energy. And when you try to remove a nail from a piece of wood, you change you change the kinetic energy into heat energy. Okay, let's see. Okay, changing of kinetic energy into electric energy. Okay, so kinetic energy can change into electric energy. Okay, give me example. Dynamo. Okay, this is a bike. Okay, inside a bike there is a dynamo. This is a dynamo. Look at this picture. This is a dynamo. Okay, okay, in this part called a dynamo. A dynamo. Okay, inside a dynamo. Okay, the kinetic energy changes into electric energy. Okay, so this light lamp or bike lamp lights when you move a bike. So dynamo change the kinetic energy into electric energy. Okay, give reasons. On hammering on a piece of iron, it becomes hot. Why? Give reason. Because on hammering the kinetic energy, it changes into heat energy. Okay, number two, the lighting of a car lamp increases by increasing the speed of the car. As you can see in this picture, the lighting on of a car lamp increases, okay, by increasing the speed of the car. Why? Because of or due to the dynamo, which changes the kinetic energy into electric energy. Okay, Okay, number three, a changing of electric energy into other forms of energy. Electric energy can change into other forms of energy. Like what? Letter A, changing the electric energy into light energy. Look at this picture. This is the electric lamp. On passing the electric current through the lamp lights up. Okay, so here we change the the electricity, from the battery, into light energy. So the lamp lights up. Okay, again, so we can change the electric energy into light energy. We can change electricity, passing through the current into light energy that make the lamp lights up. Okay, so we can change electric energy into light energy in the electric lamp. Okay, and letter B, we can change the electric energy into kinetic energy. How? In the electric fan. The electric fan, okay, can move by the electricity. So the electric energy here, it change into kinetic energy. The electric energy here is electricity, and kinetic energy is the movement of the fan. Okay, this is the washing machine, the same meaning, okay? Washing machine, it changes the electric energy into kinetic energy, and the electric mixer, okay? Of course, you have mixer inside your kitchen, okay? Electric mixer, it changes the electric energy into kinetic energy because it can move, okay? So it changes the electricity into movement. Okay. Letter C, electric energy can change into sound energy. How? In the radio. In the radio, electric energy change into sound energy. And the loudspeaker. So changing of electric energy into sound energy. Give me example. Radio and loudspeaker. Number four, changing of light energy into other forms of energy. Light energy can change into other forms of energy. How? Letter A, the light energy of the sun, it changes into heat energy. Huh? The sun, give us heat, give us light, and this light energy can change into heat energy in the solar heater. So this is the picture of solar heater, this is change the light energy, into heat energy like a heater, it change the sunlight or the light we take from the sun into heat energy. So again, the light energy of the sun can change into heat energy, and the example, the solar heater. Okay, and the light energy also can change into electric energy. How? In the solar cells. Look at this picture. This is the solar cells. Okay, this solar cells can change the light energy into electric energy, and we use the electric energy, in our house. So the solar cell is a device that changes the light energy into electric energy. Okay, let's know the benefits of the solar cell. Okay, solar cell can change the light energy into what? Electric energy. So the benefits or the important of solar cell, it changes the light energy into electric energy that is used in houses. So we use the electricity, that the solar cell produce in our houses. Okay, so we have here a table. We have electric fan, used energy. In electric fan, we change electric energy into kinetic energy. So in electric fan, we use electric energy and we produce kinetic energy. In electric lamp, from electric energy into light energy. Electric heater, from electric energy to heat energy. Radio, from electric energy to sound energy. Dynamo used kinetic energy and produced electric energy. So from kinetic energy into electric energy. Electric motor, from electric energy to kinetic energy. Violin, from kinetic energy to sound energy. Solar cell, from light energy into electric energy. Solar heater, from light energy into heat energy. Battery or dry cell, from chemical energy to electric energy. Chemical energy stored in a battery and it produces electric energy. Okay, primary 4, thank you for listening. Miss Alex Sharif was with you.